Hi, Ruby. Do you not like your new socks? No?
The answer is
Hmm. I'm not gonna move?
no. She hasn't moved.
No, she hasn't moved 1 inch. What are you gonna do? Just stand there all night? Aw. Come on, Rubes. If you didn't chew out your paws, we wouldn't have to put sockies on you. She's barely moving. Oh, she's so tired. She doesn't know what to do.
Yeah, she's more humiliated than anything.
I tried to get her socks that she would have related to. They're Brian from Family Guy. They got dogs on them. Oh, she almost fell off. Over just for a little bit.
You look retarded.
Aww. Ruby. Poor thing. Poor thing.
Yes! The tree! You were naked! I've cut all the clearing glass. Thanks, Billy. Famous. $12, never been used. Maybe I'll trade it for a new hat. Right, and take care of that baby! I will!
She hid behind the couch.